Bring Your Own Stereo is the new album from my next guest, and they'll be appearing this Saturday night at the Attic in Greenville, North Carolina. Please welcome Jimmie's Chicken Shack.
The bed up straight, I always stay out late, I never take you out, that's what you're all about. I always smell like smoke, everything's just a joke, I never look at you when you come hear me sing. These are not all of me, many simple things you can't find wrong with me. Once would you tell me please, what do I do, what do I do, what do I do, what do I do, right, what do I do, what do I do, what do I do, what do I do, right? I never talk to you, be who you want me to. My music's way too loud, my friends are all so proud. Say I'm just wasted hope, I could not thread the rope more than my pockets broke, and you don't see a ring. These are not all of it, and some casual things you can find wrong with me. Once would you tell me please, what do I do, what do I do, what do I do, what do I do, right, what do I do, what do I do, what do I do, what do I do, right? Never wanted to play in this game, yes you're right, but losing the game doesn't mean that we're losing the fight. What do I do right? What do I do? I won't make the bed up straight, and I always stay out great. But what do I do? What do I do that is? What do I do? What do I do that is right? What do I do that is right? What do I do that is right?
Thank you. Great job. Hey, thank you very much. Jimmie's Chicken Shack, everybody. We'll take a break. We'll be right back. Hey. Hi, everybody. That's our show for the night. I do want to thank all our guests. Stay tuned for later, and we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah!